Hey, Sean and J427 here. So you have this situation where you have a pantry and you're like, hey, I would like to organize this pantry a little better. I'm tired of all these loose items rattling around causing me problems. And, honestly, it can make you mad because you got multiple people using the pantry. Everybody wants to organize things their own way. And that's good that people want to stay organized, but then disorganization becomes organization. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned here over the years. And, I am a subscriber of multiple services from multiple, delivery companies, things like that. And one of them tends to send things in these halfway decent boxes. I'm not going to name the company because, you know, but here it is. All you have to do is grab one of these boxes. You're going to cut the flaps of the box off, and then you're going to use the flaps and put them in the bottom of the box, right, to add a little bit of rigidity and stability to the box. And then you can use it to organize the items in your pantry. So here's part 2 of the video. So I have this box here, and what I'm basically going to do is cut these flaps off, right, on the side, and then use a corrugated style box cutter or a serrated knife to do the cutting if it's easier for you. Personally, I find that that makes it easier. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these corners off, and then I'll show you the next part. Okay, so now I have these pieces, right? And as you can see, this box is not exactly, the best box, but it'll serve the purpose here. So I put this piece here right in there and slide them in, right? And I put this other small piece on the corner, and then I'm going to put this longer piece again over here, and then I'm going to slide this smaller piece in over there. This will provide a little, rigidity to the box. It's not really going to do anything as far as, spills or anything. One could also probably find another box that's the same size, cut the bottom out, and put it in there. That might add a little rigidity, or you could use tape, right? Anyway, the next part is where I'm going to take this box and I'm going to put it in my pantry and organize my items. And here you go. Now the items are organized in this box, and it turns out to be a bunch of different sweeteners that we like to use and some flour. And the problem with the shelving that I have is it's metal, but it's plastic coated metal. And this stuff slides around, this plastic and this kind of stuff slides around, drives me crazy. So now I can just take this box, pick it right up, and it's going to go right on the shelf. Here we go. That's it. Let me put it right there. And that's it. And now my box is organizing my stuff. Obviously, I have a little work to do here in the corner, but we'll go ahead and get to that on another video.